destination was Baudeshwor Waterfall. Around 1 p.m., I caught a jeep from Putung, and within 10 minutes, I reached Baudeshwar. The views around were so amazing, beyond words to describe. Hi everyone from Baudeshwar Waterfall. I consider this place a true blessing of nature, such a beautiful and joyful spot. After that, I headed towards the Baudeshwar waterfall. The trail was a bit downhill with rocky steps, and it was also slippery. I changed my slippers midway, which made walking more comfortable. On the side of the path, there were small shops selling cucumbers and vegetables, which added a fun vibe. For a few minutes, but after about 10 minutes walk, I reached the waterfall. Had a great time, bathing, connecting with nature and new people. It was a wonderful moment.
भिडियो होइन भिडियो गराइदिन्छु अनि घरि छानेर राख्न मिल्छ नि
As it got cold, I changed my clothes, though it was a bit of hassle finding a spot to do that. This waterfall is located about 11 kilometers from Baudeshwar. पानी परेपछिको सिन त भन्नै पर्दैन यति ब्युटिफुल देखिरहेको छ कि हेर्नुहोस् त यतापट्टि I hope this video inspires you to visit this place too. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.